Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all this viral baked feta pasta. It's going to be so easy and it's going to be vegetarian. So to make this, we're starting in a big skillet with our feta cheese. Now I'm using 7 ounces here. If you wanted to use more cheese or less cheese, it's totally up to you. Next goes in some baby tomatoes, and I'm using a combination of baby round tomatoes and San Marzano tomatoes, and I got these at Publix, so you feel free to use whichever you have on hand. And if you didn't have baby tomatoes, of course you can use a bigger tomato and cut it up into cubes. Next, I'm adding in some garlic and herb seasoning, and this you can find it from Caribbean Flavors in your major supermarkets in Trinidad, or you can add Italian seasoning if you wanted to. Next, we're going to drizzle on some olive oil, and you want to use really nice extra virgin olive oil for this. It does enhance the flavor. Next goes in salt, and you can go less on the salt if you're watching your diet, and black pepper. You can even omit the salt, guys, if you wanted to. It bakes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes until it's brown and bubbly. See how it looks? The cheese is nice and soft at this point. So we're going to drop in our cooked pasta, which we cooked to al dente, which means it would still have a little bite. And then in goes my chopped parsley and basil. And all you have to do now is just mix to combine. This was super creamy and super delicious. You just want to go ahead and mash down on the tomatoes as you're mixing it in. And I want to tell you guys, if you're not a lover of this amount of cheese in your pasta, cut back on the amount of cheese that you put to bake. So I would suggest like 4 ounces if you wanted to. So once it's mixed in really well, you want to taste it and adjust your salt. And then this would be ready to be served. It's one of the easiest pasta recipes that I've tried, and this is actually going viral right now on TikTok. So it's a really easy vegetarian meal to put together when you're fasting. And if you guys wanted to put chicken in this, I suggest cooking the chicken together with the cheese and the tomatoes, or you can even put shrimp in there to roast. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know down below what you think. And if you didn't have feta, try mozzarella. Who's to say it's not going to come out amazing? So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye everyone.